My friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine. Now friends, in this video once again I'm talking about the Enjin coin. What's the current price of the Enjin coin? What's the price since occurring the Enjin coin? What is the next move of Enjin coin? And especially I'm talking about the very important news about Enjin coin. So keep watch this video till the end, friends. And if you are new to my channel, please like this video and subscribe channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. Click the subscribe button, that's very important for all of you friends. Anyways friends, let's move on and let's start the video friends. First of all, we talk about the current price of the Enjin coin. Now at this time the price of the Enjin coin is 2.03 USD dollar. The current price of the Enjin coin 2.03 USD dollar friends. And if you look the price since occurs, so now the price in the last 1 hour, the current situation, the price change as neutral. They are not goes up, not down friends. They goes like a straight line on the chart friends. And if you look the previous changes occur in the Enjin coin, so the previous changes is absolutely a negative. The price is going down in the previous time, but I hope now this time they goes neutral. So I hope very soon they again start pumping. If you zoom it, so as you can see here, now the current situation, now as you can see here, as I told you that the price change as goes straight, as you can see here, now at this time they go straight. So that is why the price change as negative friends. That is last 1 month, and that is the last 1 hour price chart. That's last 1 hour, and that is the last 1 month price chart. So if you look at the price changes occur in the Enjin coin in the last 1 month, so negative 31.97% changes occur in the Enjin coin, and 3.13 USD dollar is the highest price of the Enjin coin. And now the current price, you also know, 2 USD dollar is the current price. So absolutely in the last 1 month the price of the Enjin coin is falls down 1 USD dollar friends. So now it's time the price change as negative friends. So if you decide to sell Enjin coins, absolutely you are in the loss. So that is why my personal recommendation, my personal suggestion for all of Enjin coin as that please don't sell it. It's time to hold friends, because the price change is negative friends. If you sell Enjin coin on this price, so absolutely you are in the loss, because the price is very low friends. And friends, when the price change become 3 USD dollar or 4 USD dollar, so I think it's the best time for all of you as to sell Enjin coin and take his profit and go away from the market. That's my suggestion, that please don't sell it. It's time to hold friends. Anyways, remember that I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell or hold any cryptocurrencies, so please do your own research friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. Click the subscribe button, like this video for more this kind of news and updates videos, and also share your opinion in the comment box.